this. I really do. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then my name is Maya Ayana. Welcome. We're here to talk about my journey today. Wow, like when I tell you I felt all the way off, I felt all the way off. For whatever reason, holidays come up and I just I don't stick with what I'm supposed to stick with. Like, I don't even attempt to do any type of diet or anything like that around like holiday season. So that's like Christmas, New Year's, all that stuff. Because I know I'm going to be stuffing my face. Fine. But what tripped me up, Valentine's Day. That tripped me up so bad. Because not only is February kind of hectic, like with the schooling, it's a shorter month, it just always seems to have something going on. It's President's Day, the kids have a week off. Like, it was a whole lot of takeout going on. It was a whole lot of me staying home. It was cold, it was snowing, raining, all of these other things. So all of these together cultivated in me, you know, falling off the wagon. Yeah. Now what I will say is I haven't gained weight. I still haven't gained any weight. I've been at a like a plateau. I mean, I'm glad I haven't gained any weight at all, but I ain't been losing either. I've also been super busy putting together a little something I cannot wait to share. And like, I haven't even only just fell off with like the dieting, the eating, the working out and stuff. Like, I've fallen off with everything. Like, I've been wanting to come on here more and more, but I don't have the time. I've been wanting to do a lot, but what I'm focused on right now, besides, you know, obviously motherhood, is most important. I'm definitely going to be doing multiple videos on what I have going on, but I'm going to get back on track as far as the whole weight loss journey. Now, let me tell you what I have done to change, because honestly, from Valentine's Day that week, I was busy eating Valentine candy and treat yourself. That was me the whole week. And the week after that, the kids were off of school, so they had their winter break for the whole week. So I wasn't really checking in with myself. I wasn't cooking like that. I don't think I was cooking at all, honestly. I wasn't really cooking. I was snacking a lot, because, you know, kids snack. The kids is supposed to make you fat. It's not carrying the baby and having a baby. I was skinny after I had my son. I look good after I had my son. I mean, I still look good, but I look good and fat. I'm not look good and skinny yet. It's when they get to the snacky age and everything is like snack. And then you snacking too, or they're at the age where they want to play more than they eat. So they'll eat, like, you know, you give them a 5-piece chicken nugget and they eat like 1.5, and then you catch yourself eating the rest of what's on their plate. So what I've been doing the past week, I would say the past week, to start playing catch up, because I feel like I haven't fallen all the way off, but like I can feel that I fell off. I've been trying to up my water intake. My water intake has also been trash, I will say that, and that's just me. That has nothing to do with no holidays, nothing like that. Like, my water intake has been trash. What I did do though, that has been up in my water intake as long as I remember. Let me just bring it. I found this cute ass tumbler. Okay, and I have been inspired to get that from my new, you know, my new position that I just gave myself, which I keep saying, but I'm gonna do more videos about. And it's so cute and so fun to drink out of, so that definitely helps me boost my water intake. And also, I like ice cold water, so I get to add ice to it, add the water bottle in it, and then I'm drinking water. Yeah, I have been cooking more. I've been cooking more. I've been eating, like, you know, try to eat like 2 salads a week. I've been doing that. Not 2 salads, but like just two servings of salad. But I try to make 2 batches of salad a week. So I'll make a batch of salad, you know, maybe make some protein on the side, or just have it on the side of my dinner, or have it before I eat my dinner. And then like later on in the week when I run out, make it again. So yeah, I have been trying to do that. As far as exercise, the only exercise I've really been doing is walking, just because I've been busy. I've been having a lot of stuff to do. So I'd be like, instead of instead of taking a bus to the train, or instead of trying to take a cab or find little ways to get around, I just walk. If I know where I'm going, I'm gonna walk rather than take a bus or take a cab or take the train or something, if it's not too far. I'm going to be getting back on my shit. I would love it if you watching this keep me accountable. You know, even if it means you have to follow my Instagram and DM me in the morning like, hey fatty, did you do your workout today? What are you eating today? Are you eating breakfast? I also, one of the things that I have done that hopefully, like, I'm hoping that really draws the point home, makes it easier for me, is I don't know how I forgot this. I bought a bunch of reusable bottles so that I could make my smoothies, big batches of smoothies in advance, and then just freeze them. And then that way all I have to do is put them out the freezer and have them defrost in the fridge overnight. In the morning, grab, shake it, drink, go. And that's helped me out a lot, because I've had to drop a couple things off at the post office. And I have my smoothie with me, just walking, chugging my smoothie, walking, going on my walk or whatever, because the post office is pretty far from my house. So that's one of the examples of how I've been trying to get a little bit of exercise in there, a little casual exercise. But yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place. Accountability. That's another reason why I was like, no, like, I'm gonna get on here and record this, because I said I was gonna start this journey. I already started it with a video. I told myself I'm gonna hold myself accountable. So this is me holding myself accountable and saying, bitch, you fell off. But this is also me saying there's nothing to fall off and get right back on, and get back on even better. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I think I'm gonna start chronicling my journey again this week. Well, this upcoming week. So next Monday. And yeah, I'll have more, or you know, I might upload a little bit more about my weight loss journey, just in case, like, if I stumble upon something, or if I start doing something new or different, if I want to show up when I'm cooking for the night, things like that, if I have the time to do it. I feel like, I don't know, is there anything I want to say? Oh, another big reason why I was like, nah, I gotta get back on this is, like, my body, I started listening to my body. Your body will literally tell you, I can't do this no more. I can't do any more french fries. I can't do any more pizza. I can't do any more. I can't do any more of this. It's fast food. Now, my biggest thing right now, I'm gonna have to scale back from sugary drinks. Not so much soda, because, like, I've started, you know, drinking my waters again, but like the coffee and the Starbucks and the Dunkin', the snacking, which, boom, these Atkins bars also got the Atkins protein shakes, but I hated those. The protein shakes tasted like, what did I say? It tastes like antibiotics or something. Like, it just tastes nasty, like medicine. Those 2 bars are so good. They taste like Snickers. They have like a Snickers vibe to them. I'm just trying. It's hard. It's really hard, especially when you're out on the stress, and yeah, it's a lot. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do all the hard stuff so that you could just get straight to the easy stuff. I'm gonna trip up so that, you know, y'all can step over me. You don't have to do what I do. You have to mess up how I mess up. So yeah, I guess this is like the point where I wrap up the video, because there's nothing really more to show you. Like, I can show you the gut. Hold on, wait. Yeah, I can show you what I'm working with. Show you what I'm working with. Now, I don't mind this part, but I need it. I need to cinch this in. Cinch it in. Yeah, that's all for now. I'm definitely gonna be coming back to you with, you know, my little routine. I'm gonna see if I can come up with a new fun routine, different ways to work out where I don't really have to think about it. I just pop in my AirPods and go, because this shit is hard. I thought it was gonna be easy because I've done it before, but no, it's hard. Like, last time I was really consistently working out, I was like, what, 24? I'm about to be 27. They don't lie when they tell you that 25 hump, that shit gets you. But let me stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching, you know, sticking with me, sticking through this journey. Yeah, it's hard, but we're gonna get this done. Until the next video, deuces.